It's time, guys. The giveaway is here. What's going on, everyone? Tech Tosh coming at you guys with the giveaway video. Before we start this video and do the unboxing and all that jazz, first off, I want to thank Creative for sending out these speakers. They did contact me and ask me if I would want to receive their latest PEBBLE Pro RGB Bluetooth 5.3 speakers, and I figured why not. Now, these are pretty dope speakers. Now, I don't have a need for them, which is why I'm giving them away. Figured to give back to the community, all you guys who have supported. Even if you just hopped in because you're actually looking for these speakers and you somehow came across this video, you might be able to win these for free. These are pretty dope speakers. My wife actually has the non-pro edition. She enjoys them, has no need for them either. She don't really care for the RGB or anything like that. And on top of that, she didn't really like the green colorway. Yeah, they are a green colorway, but if you win them, you got them for free. I'm gonna give you guys the 3 stipulations on how to enter the giveaway. Now, the first 2 are just kind of a given. So you gotta be subscribed to the channel, of course. You gotta hit the thumbs up on this video specifically. And the third one, it's just an extra step. It's gonna take you off of YouTube, but it's gonna take you right to my X page, AKA Twitter. Now, the reason why I'm taking you guys there, because that's gonna be my second form of like putting out all my content, contacting anybody for giveaways, even just communicating with you guys one-on-one. If you guys are interested in that, go ahead and hit the first link on the very top. As soon as you hit that first link, it's gonna take you right to my page. Now, I just need you guys to do hashtag TechTosh giveaway and put speakers in the post. You can write whatever you want, but at least put speakers, because I will be doing multiple giveaways and I don't want to get confused with later posts. Very easy. We're gonna get them all hooked up later on in the video, so you'll be able to see how they hook up and what they look like, and maybe be able to hear how they sound like, show how easy it is to sync up, and then yeah, we'll give these away. So again, hit the thumbs up, be subscribed, hit the first link in the description, take you right to my X page, hashtag TechTosh giveaway, and then just put speakers. Very easy. And I'll announce the winner on X. I'm not gonna make a video on YouTube, so that's why I'm leading you to X, because I'm not gonna make a specific video on who's winning. So yeah, let's get right into it. Hope you guys will enjoy this video. Good luck to whoever enters in the giveaway. These are their PEBBLE Pro Minimalist 2.0. These are a little bit different because they have RGB. These are Bluetooth 5.3, so I don't believe these are Bluetooth 5.3, so that's probably another upgrade for Bluetooth compared to these. So it is a USB hookup to your computer if you want to do it that way. It also has a 3.5 analog plug-in to use that way as well. Clear dialogue for audio-based situations. If you're listening to podcasts, it's going to be clear for voices. It does have a 20-watt peak power, and it is angled wide stage sound, or sound stage. Dyslexic here. So angle wide sound stage. What they're talking about is because see how these are angled at kind of a slight angle here, so you kind of have the audio coming right at you if you have them facing you. Very cool design. Now, that's the one thing I noticed about these speakers, other than the RGB and all that stuff and the Bluetooth 5.3, is the unique look of these. I always like the look of these. These are just the upgraded version, the Pro version. Upgraded digital amps, re-engineered 2.25-inch full range drivers, and passive radiator delivers uninterrupted audio, immersive at high power outputs across volume levels for an impactful audio performance. And then you get your fully customizable RGB rings with a spectrum of colors, 3 selectable presets, and lighting effects. Obviously, the audio is not going to really show the best going through, you know, YouTube compression, and then obviously through whatever speakers you're listening to. But I'll give you guys my opinion on them. So first thing in the box, you get, assuming, the power cable. Now I'm gonna try to keep this organized so that way I could just put it right back in the box and be easy to ship right out to whoever wins these. Okay, so it looks like this is the USB-C to USB-A. So USB-C to USB. Next cable is USB-C to USB-C. And then we got the aux cable that comes with it as well. A little bit of a different colorway. This isn't a colorway I would pick. This is like a dark forest army green. Nonetheless, it is very cool. This is obviously the main speaker. This has the volume knob on it. Looks like you get a Bluetooth button here and then a RGB light on the front. And then your power light indicator right there. Very similar look from the old version that my wife has here on the right to the 2.0 Bluetooth RGB version. Now you will notice, well, you won't notice, I notice the weight difference. So there is definitely a heavierness to the newer ones. But as far as the look, I mean, they look very similar. I don't think anything is too different with the look. It might be a smidge bit bigger than the older ones. You can definitely tell the volume knob is different. And then these are just like a standard knob. knob. On the back here, you do get that little woofer, subwoofer. I don't know. I don't even know if they call that a subwoofer, but that's when the audio is going, you'll feel that rumbling. Now you will notice on the back here, it is different connections. This one only has like a 3.5 aux cable plug-in, if I can get that to focus. But as you can see with the new ones, you get new connections here. So you got two USB-C connections. One says USB-C, the other one says USB-C PD. So I'm assuming that's the power with the red ring. And then you got that 3.5 plug-in right there. And then of course on the bottom here, you got that soft rubber here, so you can set that on your desk without scratching anything. And then this is where the RGB light would be sitting right here on the bottom. Over here on the right side of the speaker, because I guess this would be left, or no, so right. So you can see here, because it has R, so the volume knob would be sitting on the right side. So on the right side of the speaker, you do have your headphone port and a mic port here. Don't really use those personally, but you got those there if you need them. Let's go ahead and pull out the second speaker. Not much on the other one as well. You just get that soft rubber with the RGB light on the back. So these would be set up like this. Bing, bam, boom. Before we get rid of the box, nothing much in here other than the manual. But the main thing with these that will just catch your eye is obviously the PEBBLE look. So it's got a unique look. Sits very discreet on your desk. Always like the look of these every time I've seen them. Nothing too complex about these. Very simple looking minimalist speakers by Creative. Really, let's get right into what these look like and sound like. So I'll hook these up for you guys. We'll get the RGB lights going. All right, guys, here we are. I'm gonna show you guys how to set these up. Very simple. Put this back here. Now I'm trying to keep this as unraveled as possible, so that way it feels brand new, whoever wins these. I don't have these hooked up to my computer just to make it simple, so I can do this real quick and then pack them back up for whoever wins these. So I have these powered by my Anchor power bank here. We got them plugged in through the typical USB-A port here. But I do have a video on this if you are interested in something like this. Now this is cool because it allows you to pretty much power anything. It goes up to 140 watts. So definitely more than enough power to power these. These are 20 watt peak speakers. As you can see here, we do have the RGB lights going. It does have 3 default patterns, I guess you can do by pushing this button right here. See right here, we got 2 buttons right here. The first one is gonna be the Bluetooth pairing button here. And then right here is the actual RGB button here that will allow you to change the lights, I'm assuming. So let's go ahead and push that and see what happens. So I did push it and it did change it red, as you can see. And it looks pretty cool with it being on the bottom here because it gives it a nice little glow, kind of looking directly at it. But when you got the lights off, it's gonna glow right off your desk. So it's gonna give it a nice aura, which is pretty cool. So very simple minimalist speakers. And we're gonna try to hook these up through Bluetooth. We'll go right into Bluetooth. I'm assuming all we gotta do is hold the Bluetooth button.
Now in pairing mode, waiting for connection.
As you heard, now in pairing mode. You'll see on my phone right there, it says Creative PEBBLE. We'll go ahead and select that.
Bluetooth connected.
And it lets us know Bluetooth is connected. Hooked up very quick. So let's go ahead and put on some music. Let's see, we'll probably get copyrighted, but we'll try to be quick. We'll play the new 21 Savage album. I don't know if you guys heard that, but I've actually been bumping that this week and I've been enjoying it. So let's see, this one right here. Let's see how loud these guys get. Those get loud. Holy smokes. I was not expecting those to get that loud. All right. So these are dope. I actually like these a lot. All right. So we just hooked those up. Very simple to hook up, as you've seen. Literally just used a power source through my power bank. So technically, you could bring these anywhere you want. If you have something that's able to power these, it does have, like I said, a 20 watt peak. So anything that is able to output 20 watts, which this is 140 watts. Whole reason why I got this was for my Steam Deck. Again, if you want to see a video on this power bank, very dope. You'll be able to see what wattage is being pulled out of these speakers. So if it is peaking at 20 watts, you'll be able to see that. If you do have a power bank, you will be able to pretty much carry these on the go if you wanted to. I don't know who's gonna carry, you know, computer speakers on the go, but boy, these things get loud. I was not expecting them to get this loud, which is pretty cool. When I think about all the G's, memories in my head. Like I'm not even all the way up and that's loud. So definitely gets loud, connects to the Bluetooth very quick, as you've seen. Let's see if we can connect another device. I have my other iPhone here. Yes, I got 2 iPhones. I got my 13 Pro Max and my 15 Pro Max.
Now in pairing mode, waiting for connection. Bluetooth connected.
We'll go ahead and put on some audio that won't get me copyrighted, which is going to be on my YouTube channel. But before we do that, I kind of want to go into and wrap up 2023. There will also be a giveaway, so if you guys are interested in that, I'm not going to say what it is, but if you're interested in the giveaway, it's going to be happening in my next video, so be sure to hit that subscribe button down below. Hit the thumbs up so we can get this channel rolling in 2020. Pretty dope. Again, thank you, Creative, for sending these out. These are actually pretty cool. If I didn't already have subwoofer speakers, I'd probably rock these if they weren't green. But nonetheless, you guys get a chance to win these. So again, I told you guys at the beginning of the video how to enter the giveaway. Go ahead and do that. I will announce the winner on my X page. So I might give it a week just to get people to watch the video and enter in the giveaway. You'll know if you won them because I will comment on your post on my X page. So thanks again, Creative, for allowing me to do this giveaway. Thank you guys for watching this video and subscribing. Good luck to whoever wins this. I'll catch y'all in the next video. Y'all stay nerdy. Peace.
Let's see how you do under pressure. Oh, yeah, I've been wanting this shit forever. I've been in the field with whatever they throw at me. Brush it off, pick myself up, moving on to the better. Okay. Hey. Yeah, ain't no errors, baby. It's a new era. I wake up early, feeling rich like I'm